afternoon to everyone. We are Group 4 and our principal po is Business Etiquette. Lights, camera, action. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, ano ganap dito sa cafe ko? Any updates, guys? Hello po, Sir Lance. Sa pag-review po ng financial records natin, napansin ko po na yung personal expenses ko, it's also listed down as business expenses. Tulad po na, for example, yung shoes nyo sa mining nyo, iPhone 16 Pro Max, Rolex ulit. Ako kasi nga yung gets. Kasi yung bank account ko, hindi ginagamit ko sa personal ko, tapos sa business. I mean, ako hindi naman ito, di ba?
Sir Mark, Sir Jordan, that's not how it works. Ang personal at business entity, ang business finances ay dapat magkaiwalay. Kung hindi, nilalabag nito ang business entity principle na accounting.
Business entity!
Mag-iba at malilito ang expenses report, ang number po kasi ay dinutugma sa actual flow ng aking business dahil ang iba nitong expenses ay naka-record bilang material costs.
I mean, all of this is my business. Wala akong karapatan na gamitin sa litong pera. Sir, hindi na po sa ganun. Pero kasi, itong nasa pa-company sa audit, makapag-iwalay ko ng personal and business expenses. It will save our business, your business, from accounting errors. So then, what should I do now? Any suggestion?
First, you should open a separate bank account for the company. Also, iwasan niyo na rin po yung paglilista ng mga personal ng pangkailangan bilang business material costs.
That way, mas magiging maayos sa financial statement ng ating company.
Okay. Thank you for your suggestion. Go back to your work.